Not sure what to do with that still 3-day-old bread that you bought at the supermarket and didn't use? Don't throw it away because we're going to make some breadcrumbs with it right now. Let's go. First, let's cut up our baguette. It doesn't really matter what size you cut these in because you're going to pulverize them anyway. So just get them into like-sized chunks. Next, what we want to do is pulverize the bread. I like to break these up so that they're not completely pulverized. There's some bigger chunks and some smaller chunks. Makes them super crispy. Next, we're going to take a few cloves of garlic and chop them up. Next thing you want to do is get our pan on medium-low heat. We'll add a couple tablespoons of garlic oil. Regular olive oil is just fine. You're going to add garlic to it anyways, so no big deal. Next, we'll add our garlic. You want just a light sizzle on this because you're going to cook this for a little while. Once it starts sizzling, then we'll go ahead and add some of our breadcrumbs. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. And go ahead and stir all that up. Get that olive oil all over every single piece. Next, we'll add a little salt and pepper. And lastly, we'll add some fresh thyme. That's that sizzle, baby. All right, so we cooked our breadcrumbs over the stove for about 10 minutes. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and pop these on a sheet pan. We're gonna continue to cook them in the oven at 350 for about another 8 to 10 minutes, just until they're a little bit more lightly golden brown. So we bake these off for about 8 to 10 minutes. They came out super crispy. Put these on top of your favorite pasta, or I like to put them on top of all my salads. Adds a nice little crunch. Can't get enough of these, and my wife can't either, so enjoy.